Next up, this is from John. Neil, I am new to Amazon. Am I too late to launch? Which is a great question. Am I too late to launch? So let me give you this. So when you come in to module 1, send to all, this is module 1, start up here and resources, all in there, look, okay? You want to go to this cool stuff section right here, and that's going to be all that cool stuff I told you about earlier. And where I put the messaging update. And what I would go check is this, Amazon product launch checklist. Yeah. You can use this. Oh no, let's go with a different one. Let's do a timeline of an Amazon business. So you could use that one, but let's use a different one. Timeline of a typical Amazon business. That's probably a better document to look at. So this gives you everything that needs to be done in an Amazon business in a sequential way of getting it done. All right. This is what I believe is the best way to get your shit onto Amazon, so to speak. And when you read through that, you will see that whilst it does look like there is a lot, it's all very, very manageable, very, very easy to get done. The biggest impediment to listing quickly on Amazon has actually got nothing to do with you, and that is shipping. So if you are sourcing your product internationally, let's just say, for instance, that you're sourcing from China and you want to sell in Australia. So at some point, you will need to get your products from China to Australia. Now, what most people do, and it's the right thing to do, is they use sea freight to do that. But sea freight takes time. It can take anywhere from 5 to 7 weeks to get your stuff from China into Australia. And that 5 to 7 weeks is something that's outside of your control. So that is where the time element comes in. Of course, during that 5 to 7 weeks, there's heaps of things that you can be doing. You can be doing all of the stuff that's on this document, branding and packaging and all that kind of thing. You can be getting all of that done, all right? But it's important for you to know that's the big stumbling block to speed on Amazon. So if you're going to source internationally, just know that's the thing you'll have to deal with. If you want to get onto Amazon much quicker, the easy solution is just to source domestically. So if you want to sell in Australia, source your products in Australia. That's the easy solution to that. Now, lots of people say, but isn't that more expensive? Yes, it is. It is more expensive. Absolutely, it's more expensive. But speed to market is much more important than you may realize. And there's also a huge amount of money that can be made in that 7-week period when you're waiting for your stock to arrive. During that 7-week period, you could be selling your stock and therefore making money. So you kind of have to be smart about it. Yes, it is more expensive in the short term, but when you look at overall money, you make the money back because you're selling when somebody else can't be selling. Something most people don't really think about. So, are you too late? No, you're not too late. If you are planning to source internationally though, what's the date now? Like we are at the 14th of September. Well, you really have to get your shit together. That's the bottom line. You've really got to get your shit together. Now is really your last opportunity to get your product sourced from overseas and have it ready for Christmas, for instance. This is the last opportunity to do that. You've still got lots and lots of time if you want to source domestically, but if you want to be up and running and selling by Christmas, then now is the time you've got to get that organized. So if you haven't done it yet, you've got to get a shimmy on, you've got to make it happen. You've got to make it happen, all right? So that's if you want to be selling by Christmas. And of course, if you're okay with not being able to sell by Christmas, don't worry about that. Take your time. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You can be ready for next Christmas, okay? Hope that helps.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.